welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you what I got in my Curlkit. Curlkit is a $20 monthly hair subscription targeted towards people with curly hair with a $5 shipping charge. So you might hear some music in the background. My daughter's watching Peter Pan, so we'll get started. Okay. It looks like we have a mix of things. Okay, so let's see what we got. So we have Dax for Natural, and this is a curling cream. I've used this before. I enjoy this. Next we have Vitamin E Coconut Oil. This is also Dax. This is new to me. Next we have Ideal Edge Control, Dax also. I really don't use edge control. It's hit and miss depending on the edge control. If it's a little bit of a softer texture, then yes, I will use it. If it's more of a hard texture, I don't use it because it's just a little bit harder for me to work with. And the last product, this is African Shea Butter, creamy. And this you can use all over your body. So that's cool. And then of course it comes with the pamphlet that lets you know what they have going on. Note from the editor, a little bit about the products that came in, and some Q&As. So with Curlkit, I have been enjoying it a lot. I'm okay with this box. I kind of wish it would have been something a little bit different. You know, there's still different products for me to try, but I'm thinking of getting rid of Curlkit and getting a Boxycharm subscription. So let me know if Boxycharm is something you guys would like to see, or do you guys want me to stick with Curlkit? I am going to stick with Curlbox because I do enjoy Curlbox just a little bit more. So yeah, let me know if Boxycharm is something you guys want to see. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful week.